In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up currency in Airtable, Money Tracking 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your usual method. It's quick. Choose your account option, authenticate, and you're in. No need to enter anything sensitive on camera, just get to your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is your home base. Front and center, you'll see your recent bases. Those are the projects you've opened most recently. It's a helpful way to jump back into ongoing work without hunting around. From here, you have two choices. You can click any recent base to add a currency field to an existing table, or you can create a new base if you're starting fresh for money tracking. Either option works. The steps are the same once you're inside a table. When your base opens, you'll be in the grid view by default. Think of grid view like a spreadsheet. Columns are fields. Rows are your records. This is where we'll add the currency column that formats numbers as money. Look along the top of the table, all the way to the right edge of your column headers. You'll see a small plus button for adding a new field. If you don't see it right away, scroll horizontally to the end of your fields until it appears. Click that plus to create a new column. A field setup panel will open. Use the search bar or scroll to find the currency type. Currency is perfect for amounts because it automatically applies a currency symbol and consistent decimal formatting. Select currency to continue. Now give your field a clear name that matches its purpose. Something like amount, price, or budget. Then, set the field's options. Choose the currency symbol you need, such as dollars, euros, or another supported option. Pick the level of precision, typically 2 decimal places for most amounts, but you can increase or reduce decimals if needed. You can also enable thousand separators to make larger numbers easier to read. If you want, set a default value so new records start with a common amount, and decide whether negative values should be allowed for refunds or expenses. When those settings look right, click Create Field. Your new currency column will appear in the table, and any numbers you enter will automatically format with the symbol and precision you selected. If the formatting doesn't look the way you expected, open the field settings again and fine-tune the symbol, decimals, or separators. That's it. You've added a currency field to Airtable, making your money tracking cleaner, more accurate, and far easier to read.